What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we're coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another update from the Wallis Annenberg Wildlife Crossing. Been a cool minute since we've been out here, the site of the world's largest wildlife crossing, and we're expecting to see some pretty big progress since our last venture out here. And getting notices from Caltrans that they are shutting down Agora Road throughout the week to make sure that they're really putting the nose to the grindstone and getting some solid progress on the ground. With a lot of heat waves coming up, it's probably going to be pretty strenuous for a lot of these crews, but that might mean that we're seeing some around the clock action. Maybe that's just the push they need to get some of these big stages done. On that note, it is P. Your time for the co-pilot. Oh, there you go. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Comment on the video for better or for worse. All that goes a long ways to keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there. Show you guys what's going down. Peace.